going on YouTube? This is Inga Simone, and I am here once again to do another unboxing of the Beem Box. This is my second box that I have received from them. I am a new subscriber. I really enjoyed my last box. This box that I have today is for May, June. So if you're not familiar with the Beem Box, it is a bi-monthly beauty subscription box. It's catered to black and brown beauties. In each box, you will receive 5 to 6 full-size items for makeup or skincare. So today I'm gonna see what I got for this month. Alright, so this month I have 5 items. The first one, Ahoy Love. Now what is this? Your skin will love this effective non-foaming cleanser that softens, renews, and brightens the skin. Target concerns: dryness, pore size, and pH imbalance. Okay, let's see. It's by Earth Harbor. Ahoy Love. It has seaweed vitamins and hibiscus. Oh, this looks pretty. Ooh. I've never heard of this company before. Okay, this is how it's looking. Looks very creamy. Smells nice. I like the smell. So this product is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's a woman-owned business. The next thing I have in this box is a product from Project Lip, and it's Prep the Pout Lip Kit. Huh, okay, what's this? So it's a Prep the Pout Lip Kit by Project Lip, giving you all the tools for the smoothest, plumpest pout. Fight dry lips all season round with the buff, bold, and whipped up lip scrub. Then give your lips a smoothing over with the ultra hydrating lip mask. Okay, so I have the lip mask. Oh, and here's the lip scrub. So you use this first, and then you use the lips mask. Huh. Let's see what this looks like. This is so tiny. Okay, ooh, it smells really good. Mmm. This is how it's looking inside. Mmm, this smells nice. I like this. Okay, the next product, it's from Cara Beauty, and it's called Botanical. Let's see. The Botanicals collection with shades made for your everyday slay. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. So I have the With You. Has natural tones, enhance your features, and are always trending. Okay, there we go. Some nice natural tones going on. Very, very pretty. Nice. Let's see. Let me give a quick swatch. As you can be seen. So I swatched it on my arm. I don't know if you can see it that well, but these colors are really, really pretty. I like it a lot. We'll definitely be using this palette. Okay, let's see what's next. So the next product that I have, it's from, I hope I'm not messing up this name. It's like Philachita Artistry Zoran eyeshadow palette. Silky smooth texture with intense pigments that glide easily, leaving skin looking sun-kissed and radiant. Using a fan brush, apply the bronzers to the cheekbones, brow bone, and bridge of the nose. Okay. Blend to a seamless finish. See what this palette is giving. Okay, so this is a bronzer palette. Is it gonna focus? Oh, here we go. Ooh. Ooh, I love these colors. Look at that. So this is what this bronzer palette is looking like. I will definitely use this. Very pretty. And the last but not least product, it is from Chella Beauty, and it is an eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil keeps your strokes consistently precise without the need of a sharpener. The long wearing and smooth consistency glides into place with the slightest of hand and can be lightly blended for a natural looking finish. Oh, so this is the box that it comes in, okay, Chella. And I have it in deep brown. Nice! This is what the pencil looks like. It's wrapped up. Let me unwrap it. Ooh, it's wrapped up tight. Okay, so it comes with the pencil on this end. Has a little nice tool on the other end. Brush your brows. I also got something else. What is this? Enjoy $5 off for waterproof brow gel. Oh, cool! I got a gift voucher. I will make sure to use this by the end of June. Okay, so those were all the products that I received for May and June Beem Box. I'm going to try these products and come back with my thoughts. Okay, here we go with the Earth Harbor cleanser. It left my skin feeling very soft and refreshed, very gentle on the skin. It didn't leave my face feeling dry. Here I am with the Prep Your Pout kit and this lip scrub that doesn't want to focus. So I put this on my lips and just scrubbed in circular motions. Wasn't too hard on my lips. It worked very well. And here we go with the lip mask. I'm ready to put that on. And I let it sit on my lips for around 15 minutes.
I want my hair to be how I want it. I want my makeup to be how I want it. I want my dress to be how I want it. What do they call bridesmaids? No. And that's fine. Because this is the theme. On your wedding day, do what you want. And on mine, I'm going to do what I want. So, at me. Absolutely. You can. At me.
Now that the 15 minutes are up, I'm going to take this mask off and pat the Access Serum in. Put on some Bliss Sticks. No one wants dry lips. Here I am very happy because my lips feel very smooth and hydrated. Okay, so now I'm working on the brows using the Chella eyebrow pencil. This was a really good pencil. I really like how skinny the pencil is. And when you fill your eyebrows in, it looks very natural. Yeah, I can definitely see why they charge $20. It's a really great pencil. I honestly hate doing my eyebrows. I feel like I can never have them look the same. But I did enjoy using this pencil. Here I am cleaning up my eyebrows with some concealer. Now it's time for this eyeshadow palette from Cara Beauty. I feel like this palette is perfect for everyday looks. If you're trying to achieve a no makeup look, this is perfect. Perfect for soft, natural looks. Okay, so here we are with the bronzer palette from Zoran. I was really pleased with the pigmentation of the bronzer. Here I am after I finish my whole face. I am very pleased. I think I did okay. And I'm all done. Okay, y'all, that is it for this unboxing video. I enjoyed all of the products that I received this month. You really get some nice quality products, you know, nothing feels cheap or anything like that. So I'm very happy still. If you are new here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you can see some more videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.